Saan mo ba nakukuha lahat ng energy mo, ha?
For the weekend, my cousin bought a secondhand phone to use while she was here in the Philippines, and I was going through all the contacts and all the files, and I was like, my gosh, didn't this guy remember to remove his naked